LT1763 500 milliamp low noise, low dropout micropower regulators by Linear Technology. Welcome to the training module on LTC1763. This module introduces the features and applications of LT1763 500 milliamp low noise, low dropout micropower regulators. The LT1763 series low noise, low dropout voltage regulator is a device capable of supplying 500 milliamps of output current with a dropout voltage of 300 millivolts. A key feature of the LT1763 regulator is low output noise. With the addition of an external 0.01 microfarad bypass capacitor, output noise drops to 20 microvolts RMS over a 10 Hz to 100 kHz bandwidth. LTC1763 is designed for use in battery-powered systems. Their low 30 microamp quiescent current makes them an ideal choice. Quiescent current is well controlled. It does not rise and drop out, as it does with many other regulators. It extends applications in areas like cellular phones, battery-powered systems, and noise-sensitive instrumentation systems. This slide illustrates the curves of typical performance and characteristics of the LTC1763. The slide illustrates dropout voltage versus output current and current limit versus input voltage. This slide offers information on how to connect Kelvin sense to the input of the LTC1763. Optimum regulation will be obtained at the point where the sense pin is connected to the out pin of the regulator. In critical applications, small voltage drops are caused by the resistance of PC traces between the regulator and the load. The adjustable version of the LT1763 has an output voltage range of 1.22 volts up to 20 volts. The output voltage is set by the ratio of two external resistors, as shown. The value of R1 should not be greater than 250 kiloohms to minimize errors in the output voltage caused by the adjustable pin bias current. The current in R1 is then equal to 1.22 volts over R1, and the current in R2 is the current in R1 plus the adjustable pin bias current. The LT1763 regulators are designed to be stable with a wide range of output capacitors. The ESR of the output capacitor affects stability, most notably with small capacitors. A minimum output capacitor of 3.3 microfarads with an ESR of 3 ohms or less is recommended to prevent oscillations. When used with a 5-volt regulator, a 16-volt 10 microfarad capacitor can exhibit an effective value as low as 1 microfarad to 2 microfarads for the DC bias voltage applied and over the operating temperature range. The LT1763 regulators incorporate several protection features which make them ideal for use in battery-powered circuits. The devices are protected against reverse input voltages, reverse output voltages, and reverse voltages from output to input. The top resistor of the resistor divider must be chosen to limit the current into the adjustable pin to less than 5 milliamps when the adjustable pin is at 7 volts. If the input is powered by a voltage source, the output will source the short circuit current of the device and will protect itself by thermal limiting. This slide shows a typical application circuit diagram. The first figure shows a 3.3 volt low noise voltage regulator, and the other shows paralleling of regulators for higher output current. A key feature of the LT1763 regulator is low output noise. With the addition of an external 0.01 microfarad bypass capacitor, Output noise drops to 20 microvolts RMS over a range of 10 Hz to 100 kHz. Small ceramic capacitors can be used without the series resistance required by other regulators. Demonstration circuit DC368 is a low-noise micropower voltage regulator using the LT1763 in the 8-lead SO package. These circuits are used primarily in cellular phones, voltage-controlled oscillators, RF power supplies, and in large systems as local regulators. The ability to tolerate a wide variety of output capacitors makes them ideal in space and cost-sensitive systems.